there, this is Elisa with WTI, and we know getting a flat tire or a dead battery is never pleasant. This baby here has been my best friend lately. Let me show you why. Acetek car jumper starter portable battery charger has been super helpful. I love its compact size, and I love the fact that it only weighs like 15 pounds, so it's super easy for you to carry everywhere. I so appreciate that when you're jump starting a car, there's a light that indicates whether you're doing it right or wrong. This is a must and super helpful for me as well. You can literally jump start a car or a truck within minutes. I've been loving it, and I know you will too. I also appreciate the 2 USB charge ports. You can either add an adapter like we did here to charge our batteries, or you can just add the USB so you can charge your phone. You're gonna see they can both be charging at the same time, which is super helpful as well. And of course, the tire inflator didn't disappoint us. We could inflate our tire literally in less than 2 minutes. We love how this car jumper starter is made. It has rubber all around, so it protects it from any scratch or falling. And I love the fact that it has a handle, making it super easy to carry around. So if you want an emergency lifesaver, then definitely get yourself one of these, get your wife one of these, your friends. It's so useful, but that's just my point of view.